Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, in this video, I will be discussing the Accenture interview experience of a selected candidate. And this interview experience is of a 2024 batch student. Okay, so guys, currently there is both off-campus and on-campus hirings going on for Accenture. Off-campus hirings was happening for 2024 batch, whereas on-campus hiring is happening for 2025 batch. So the main aim of this video is to tell you about the different type of questions which will be asked in the interview of Accenture. Okay, so let's start this video. And before starting the video, guys, please do hit the like and subscribe button for this channel, because regularly we are posting the hirings for different companies, and we are also capturing their the what are their coding questions asked, what are their aptitude questions asked, and what are the interview experiences of various companies. Okay, these preparation videos we make, so please make sure to hit that subscribe button, okay, before moving ahead. Okay, so now let's start with the interview experience. So first question is introduce yourself. So guys, this is a very important question as per your interview is concerned, because by this answer only the interviewer will be able to know you. You can include your skills, your first of all education background, your skills, your projects, your internship, your achievements if you have any, and your extracurricular activities. All these things you can include in your introduce yourself. It should be of around 1 or 1.5 minutes. Okay, so it's a very important question as per the interview is concerned for Accenture. Next is, tell me about your academic projects. So guys, again, project is second most important question, because when you will be telling the project to the interviewer will know that okay, you have done the project, you know the technologies in it, you know how to work, how does a project works, how a team works. So all these things the interviewer will know. Okay, and then there can be certain questions which can be asked from your project related questions also. Okay, from your project the question can also be asked. I hope this question is clear to you. Next is, what are your strengths and weaknesses? So guys, always never what students do normally, they tell the strengths, and in weaknesses they say that we don't have any weakness. So this is also a very bad point. You should tell at least two strengths, okay, and two weaknesses. Then there can be another round of question, that how do you know that this was your strength, and how do you know that this was your weakness. So here you will have to give the real life example, that when you knew that this is your weakness and when you knew that this is your strength. Okay, always try to give two strengths and two weaknesses. Okay, moving ahead, then there were some technical questions asked. Since you are giving the Accenture interview, so Accenture is hiring for IT roles, and you will be getting questions related to IT. Whether you are an ECE candidate, whether you are a CS candidate, questions related to IT subjects will always be asked from you. So question is, what is multi-threading? So multi-threading in Java is a programming concept that allows multiple threads of execution to run concurrently within a single Java program. So what happens is that if you have 2 to 3 tasks that you have to do. So what does Java will multi-threading mean? So you will make 2 to 3 threads, and every thread will execute a single task parallelly. So this will help in increasing the performance of your application. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Next question is, what are OOPS concepts? So guys, if you are following my channel for TCS also and for different companies also, you must be knowing that this OOPS concept question is very commonly asked. So what are OOPS concepts? Inheritance is there, polymorphism is there, encapsulation is there, abstraction is there. You should know their definition. You should know their implementation. You should know the code also of every of these concepts. Okay, it's very important for the interview. Now, how to explain in detail about the OOPS concepts in the interview? I have made a dedicated video for it. I will give the video link in the I button or in the description box. Make sure to visit it. Okay, and guys, before moving ahead, I would like to tell you that what we have done, we have made an important interview IT subject notes. Okay, in these particular notes we have covered total 13 subjects: C++, Java, Python, DBMS, SQL, coding questions which are asked in interview, operating system interview questions, networking, machine learning also, operating cloud computing also. So all these subjects we have covered in these particular notes. Okay, so for every subject you will have a single PDF. And what does that PDF contains? The PDF contains the question and answers of the commonly asked question in those subjects. For example, if you will open the C++ PDF, then you will find around 25 to 30 questions which are very commonly asked in C++. Okay, so if you are preparing for any company like TCS, Accenture, Infosys, okay, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, then these notes will be very much beneficial for you for your preparation. and I am just, it is at a very nominal price of rupees 99. Okay, so I have explained you that these 12 or 13 subjects we have covered in these notes. For every subject there will be a separate PDF. Once you open that PDF, there will be around 25 to 30 questions and answers for that particular subject that are very commonly asked in the companies. Okay, we have curated them, we have analyzed lot of interview experiences, and then only we have made these notes. If you want to buy it, the link are in the description box. Go check them out. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Okay, it is at a very nominal price of 99. So let's move ahead to the next question. Next is what is exception handling in Java. So let me just tell you quickly. So there is a try block, there is a catch block. So if we, what we do, we put our main piece of code in the try block, and if any exception occurs in the try block, then we handle that exception in the catch block. So this is what a simple exception handling in Java is. I hope it is clear to you. Next question is, what is a friend function in C++? So again, this answer is also available in the PDFs, okay, because it's a very commonly asked question in C++. So what is a friend function in C++? That can access the private modifiers or private methods of the friend class. Okay, it is simple. Friend function is that one class, one function of one class can access the private data members of the other class if it's a friend one. Okay. Next is, write a code for octal to decimal conversion. So again, yes, coding question, normal coding question. I'm not asking that difficult coding question will be asked, but a normal coding question will be can be asked from you in this interview. Okay, so be prepared for that also. Next is, what are the different types of inheritance? So again, there is, let me just write, single level inheritance, multiple inheritance, then there is multi-level inheritance, then there is hierarchical inheritance. Okay, these are the different types of inheritance. I hope this is clear to you. Next is, which new technology did you learn recently? So yeah, this type of question can also be asked from you, not only in Accenture, but different types of companies. That what is the latest technology that you are studying? You can tell cloud computing, you can tell machine learning, MERN stack, you can tell. So all these things you can tell to the interviewer. Okay. So I hope this is also clear to you. Next question is, tell me about the failures that you faced and how you improved there from there or want to improve from there. So again, you can give any real life example that of your 11th class, 12th class in your college, if you faced any of the failures and how you had overcome those failures. So all these things you can describe to the interviewer. Next question is, which domain do you prefer in IT jobs? Okay, so there are different domains. There is backend domain, there is front end, there is DevOps. In backend also there is different languages, frameworks. Spring Boot is there, Node.js is there, and Android is there. So anything that you prefer, you can tell to the interviewer. I hope all these things are clear to you. So these were all the 12 questions which were asked in the Accenture interview. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. Also, do join our Telegram group for further discussions. There are a lot of discussions that are happening around the ongoing hirings. The Telegram group will also, you will find in the description box. And if you want to buy these notes, the link also for buying these notes are in the description box. So do check them out. Okay, they will be helpful for you for your interviews. So this was it for this video. Thank you for watching this video.